What is good, Ape Nation? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about the one and only AMC stock and help you guys better understand the price action for this company. I'm also going to talk about what happened today in terms of the price movement and what you should be anticipating based off technical analysis. Now, before I say anything about AMC and give you guys my theory of what I think is going to play out for the next couple of weeks, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please don't take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, it benefits the entire ape community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the opportunity to win up to $200,000 as Moomoo is giving away 200 grand for the new year. So if you want a chance to win $200,000 and you want 5 free stocks, check out the link down below, deposit $100 into Moomoo, and you will have your chance. With that out of the way, guys, let's get on with the video. So AMC looks pretty interesting right now. Let me bring back Weeble for you and show you guys what I drew out yesterday first before I actually show you guys something else. So we are in this trend-based reversal, and we are still in this channel that's really pushing us to the upward direction. We're trading amongst where these exponential moving averages are. So let's quickly just look at the chart. I'm going to make this video a little bit short just for you guys because I like to just get to the point. Let's look at the MACD, the RSI, and what else we're seeing from the DMI. So I am seeing a lot of crosses right here from the DMI. That's an indicator that we have the difference between the positive move and the difference between the negative move. So this basically just represents the change in a trend, and we're seeing these changes all over the place. Let me bring up the 2-hour charts just to show you. Look at that. It's flipping back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Probably going to flip again. My point is we're trading sideways. This is what this is all showing. Now the MACD, once again, trading sideways. RSI did drop a little bit, 52.56. That's an indicator we could drop a little bit. So what I think is going to happen is the shorts were saving some ammo, and they're going to maybe try to blame it on the market and try to get AMC to drop a little bit. So I made this in my previous video. I drew out this particular trend. I showed you guys that I saw AMC dropping to the $18.75 range, and that is what happened, but it does look like we may drop a little bit lower. So maybe something like this before we start to rebound next week. So the chart could maybe look kind of like this. So I was a little bit close about that rebound, but then I do see us running right back up, testing the resistance at 20, dropping again, and then slowly maybe trading sideways for all of next week before running up again and seeing the next leg to the upside, which would be the 22, before we drop and then start running up again, right? Just like this. So, like I said, guys, it's a little bit boring, but you guys can really understand what's going on here. That is, the shorts are having a hard time controlling AMC. And the reason I know that is because AMC is moving with less volume. It's becoming tougher. So another theory that I have is we could be forming a giant pennant here. This isn't as profound as my other one, but let's draw this out. So it could happen, and this actually aligns with the future. So what could happen is we might drop a little bit down to the low 18, maybe as low as 17, maybe a little bit out of this. I wouldn't be surprised. We could go as low as that $17 range, and we'll run up and maybe close like this. We'll close probably like at around the 1850s, 1870s for Friday, right? Because of max pain. Then after that, by the next week, we're going to run up to 19, maybe like the $20 range, and then drop again. We're not going to drop as hard. We're going to drop to maybe like the 19 flat, and we're going to just trade sideways. Now, an important thing for me to mention, guys, is the market's going to be closed on Monday because of President's Day. So that really aligns with us forming this pennant. We'll drop one last time, and we're going to have a big breakout after that. We might go as high as 24, then we'll drop, trade sideways for a little bit of time. And this could obviously change depending on the Ukraine situation. There hasn't been a confirmation of a change. We'll run up again. And then what's going to happen is AMC is going to have their earnings, and we'll really see how we move from there. So we could see something like this before we see the next leg. And the thing is, that's just a few weeks away, guys. This is a big jump in just the next upcoming days, and it's still following this trend of us slowly stepping our way up. Looking really good right now. So don't be phased, guys. Remember, the hedge funds might try to bring it down tomorrow. It's not going to scare me. In fact, I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm going to be loading up on more shares the more they drop it. If anything, guys, I'm sure you guys already heard this. Citadel has more calls than puts now. Citadel has more long positions than short positions. They have around 3 million puts. 3 million shares worth of puts and like 7 million for calls. So my point is, it's looking really bullish. I can't wait for what the future holds. It's looking good. That's what I have for this one. I want to thank each and every one of you for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next one. AMC to the moon, and peace out.